Salam!
हेलो आई एम एक और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से उसका नाम है SFI who is going to be the strongest opponent of the communalist fascist forces in the campus in the upcoming election. I strongly condemn the communalist charge comment of an ABVP candidate in SL. So the thing is, like, every organization is coming with their already organized agenda and imposing on you. Right now, like, there are hundreds of left ideologies here are like opposing each other. Apart from that, instead of that, I am saying ki, like, SFI is an organization which know how to fight until the election, and after the election as well, we know how to work on that agenda. So in that confidence, I am initiating with the agenda of SFI this time. The first and important agenda of SFI this time is the alternative accommodation. You should understand why I am asking for as an alternative accommodation of this campus. How many of you have heard about Ambedkar University? Even Ambedkar University is a small university in India. It has an alternative accommodation actually. India का सबसे अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी है हमारा. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? When the last union has proposed the hostel issue, it was half of a page only. The thing, I was a councillor, have asked for this alternative accommodation in this campus actually. It is the orientation of SFI in the issue of like hostel. The other agenda of us is the deprivation point. I know I am not a good speaker at all, even in English or Hindi. But the thing is, it is a high time I have to speak. That is the only confidence I am here right now. So the thing is, I think that according to the Jangaradhan Mishra report, it's saying like the backward minority community situation is worse than SC/ST. So we from our organization will assure you that the deprivation point will be ensured in this campus even if SFI is going to be in this union. And the other thing is, once we are talking about the internet facilities in the campus, first of all you should understand that it is an academic institution. In this era, actually in this era, I am repeatedly saying internet is an inevitable thing for our academics actually. When we are talking about internet facilities, it is from the other organization are like opposing us, saying it's an elitist issue. Is it an elitist issue? Internet will help us like in academics actually. And you should understand that why I am asking vote for me. As an SAS councillor, I have worked for entire full year I have worked for it. I have the full evidence with me. Even if you want to know about whatever activities have happened in SI, you just come to me. I will show you each and every evidence. I repeatedly say I will show you each and every evidence. Then what is happening when the SAS conveners report was happening, I can understand the unfortunate thing is happening in convener's home actually, but you don't have any activities to report. That is the essential thing. You don't have anything to report. If I was the only guy to report whatever activism which happened there, you don't have any understanding of this thing. The thing is, I don't want to say like the other organizations are empty or like atrocious or holeless or anything like that, because there was one application in my hand actually which supported by ISA, which is submitted by ISA. There is one application. Instead of that time, on the other hand, there are 42 applications from an SFI counselor in SAS. Then the other thing, like SAS is a school in this school only we will be able to see an asthma inhaler actually. We will be so the health and hygiene in the campus will be going to be one of the important agenda of SFI this time. And about and to you the NGO like organization who are campaigning against me. I have long hair and I do art and I don't know how to do activism. It is a thing I am saying after 8th of my standard actually I have got SFI membership officially. It is my 11th year of my activism. My active activism ka 11 year hai abhi. So I know how to do activism. You don't have to instruct me, okay? You are wrong. People are coming and asking. When I went to SS, the people are coming and asking, oh, aap hai? Okay. Long hair wala aapke. Yes, I am an artist. I am not ashamed at all. You should think about the cultural activism which is happening across India actually. I am giving you an opportunity to campaign against me. I will end my speech with a small song. नर और मौत से लड़कर गावो शहर से होकर कोमरेल दिन के आह्वान चले मुक्ति सेना दल कोमरेल दिन के आह्वान चले मुक्ति सेना दल. And from SFI we appeal, be assured, all of you are staying here, we assure that ABVP will not come to power in this union. ABVP will not come 100% assured. The people, the elder activists of ISA who are campaigning in front of SL are saying ABVP is getting vote. So vote for ISA. Is it your political
Speaker, your time is
yes,
over.
actually,
Please find a
this is a
place.
political handicap actually.
Your time is over. Please find a place.
Don't take us to fight against ABVP. Your time is over. SFI is able to do that. It is a voluntary and it is
Your
a
time is over.
Inqilab Zindabad.
Please find a place. Your time is over. Question time.